Did you know almost every hit song sticks to just 7 chords? The circle of fifths reveals exactly which ones. Let's crack the code together. The circle of fifths isn't just music theory. Think of it as your ultimate guitar cheat sheet. Here's how it works. Imagine a clock, but instead of numbers, each hour is a musical note. Pick a key, say G major. On the circle, G sits at 12 o'clock. The 6 notes right next to it, clockwise and counterclockwise, are the chords that fit perfectly in that key. So for G major, move clockwise to D and counterclockwise to C. Those are your 4 and 5 chords. The 3 minor chords? They're right next to those majors: E minor, A minor, and B minor. And don't forget the wild card, F# diminished, hiding just past B. With these 7 chords, you can play thousands of songs in G major. No guesswork, no confusion. Need another key? Just rotate the circle. The neighbors always tell you what fits. Next time you're learning a song or writing your own, grab the circle of fifths. It'll tell you what chords belong, what paths sound smooth, and how to switch keys like a pro. So, stop memorizing endless lists. Let the circle of fifths do the heavy lifting, and unlock the music you've always wanted to play.